One of the things I am most proud of is at the Master Playbook, we make money lessons fun, simple, practical, and I really want it to be easy to digest. And so I really think about that as I create resources and books and workbooks for your kids in your family, right? So one of my creations during the pandemic was our deck of smart cards. Yes, our smart cards are a deck of financial literacy flashcards. It's 60 cards come in the deck, and we cover topics and concepts around budgeting, banking, saving, investing, borrowing, and giving. Hi, parents. I'm Holly Reid Tootle, the creator of the masterplaybook.com, and you are in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. And listen, these cards are more than just key terms on the front with definitions on the back. It also includes over 20 money questions that will stimulate learning, critical thinking skills, and curiosity in your young learner. Our smart cards for future millionaires are all about elevating the language of our young people because money should not be a foreign language to anyone. Money management is a life skill that must be practiced and mastered over time. So the younger we start, the minute they are able to read and comprehend and understand, we should begin incorporating these life lessons into our everyday errands and activities. Our smart cards for future millionaires make money lessons entertaining, develops critical thinking, sparks curiosity and independence, and it lays the foundation for our children and our teenagers to master money management skills. The Master Playbook Smart Cards can be used in class, at home, and even with friends. Pair them with our Teach Your Child a Fish book and workbook bundle for an enhanced learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your deck today.